600LT. You guys know about this car. There's our good buddy Parker's car, vehicle versions. Brought it over to get the 1016 Industries carbon fiber hood installed. Really changed up the whole look of the car. Car was missing that hood, honestly. Just made it look way more aggressive in the front. Matches all the factory carbon fiber. All the carbon fiber you see on the car is stock from factory. This is a crazy optioned 600LT. They don't all come with that roof scoop. I think the exposed carbon hood looks great. I don't think it requires any painting or anything like that. Like, this looks amazing. We're gonna wash it up. Parker's gonna come grab it right now.
Get out of my way. We have a Rolls-Royce Cullinan here. We are doing 26-inch wheels and tires on this car. This is huge. Santos is taking care of this on his own, so yeah. And that's it.
Like, you can't.
Like saying the little guy doing the big wheels.
Tarkus orders most of the Mercedes parts here at RDB. He just ordered up a Mercedes part, and with the part came this box. It says Mercedes-Benz Man. I've never seen anything like this before, so let's see what it is. Okay, so there's a card. It says, "I appreciate your business, thank you. I hope you will like this scent." Nice, so check this out. Mercedes-Benz Man. It says a thing, and it's a cologne.
Give me 1 second. What's going on?
How does it smell?
It smells really good, actually.
Mercedes loves me.
And then they have also deodorant.
That's for me.
The entire roof is carbon fiber, the roof scoop, the side, the rear diffuser. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about the new hood, but I am absolutely in love with it. What's going on, guys? My name is Parker Nierenstein. I run the YouTube channel Vehicle Versions. This is my Lantana Purple 600LT. Love the way the car looks stock, but wanted to change it up a little bit, so we added a 1016 Industries carbon fiber hood, which I think looks fantastic. It's kind of got the P1 styling, which works really well with the carbon fiber roof scoop and the rest of it. RDB just hooked this up and installed it really, really quickly, so I'm pumped to get it out on the road. Another Cullinan. As you guys know, when the Cullinans came out,
We had 5-6 of them here at the shop. We've been consistently doing Cullinans. This one is a very beautiful configuration with this blue color. We made it pretty wild now with the 26-inch RDB wheels. Full polished with the windows color matching the blue of the body of the car. However, the customer wanted the Forgiato F on there in the body color as well, so it's got that F in blue. This is again the RDB design that Forgiato builds for us. Car is on stock suspension. We might be doing some color match brake calipers, but for now the car looks great with this color match. Still classy, no blackout. The chrome is still stock on there. Goes really well together. That's another Cullinan done.
Okay, so we have a Porsche Panamera here. This car came on a tow truck. Obviously the customer was very serious about not getting a ticket on the street. This car does not run at all, so I don't know if it's an engine problem or if it's anything else. So we're gonna check it out tomorrow. It's here now at RDBLA, where it should be.
It's Friday. Everyone wants to go home. That's the thing.
I have a wedding tomorrow, but I'm gonna get cleaned up nice.
Yo, one time the barber cut my hair in that area. The hair doesn't grow anymore.
I had one piece of hair that meant so much to me. That was the one that covered up a lot of the stuff, and he cut that one.
Yo, Sarkis, how was your day today? I can't be negative on Mano Cam anymore. What happened? Don't
Let me
say
just wash my hands.
No, don't wash your hands. I like dirty. So how was your day today?
Busy.
Okay.
I was frustrated, tired.
The goal is here to make all the customers happy.
Yes.
Make sure the jobs are done on time, clean, quality, everything's good, right?
Yep.
All right.
So just finished and everything, so looks good.
So we have this amazing Range Rover SV here. So as you guys know, this car comes with a lot of silver parts inside, meaning around the speakers there's silver components. Buttons are silver on this car already. You have the door handle that was silver from original Range Rover, and the steering wheel has all been blacked out as well. We painted about 100 pieces on this car to make it black so it looks nice inside, along with an exterior blackout. Satin black wheels. This car looks beautiful. We're washing it. We're working after hours again to keep our client happy. This car is going to be delivered to him right now. These were silver on a regular Range Rover. The speaker surround, these were all silver. Buttons silver. These steering wheel things were all silver.